Students of UAlbany, did you know it is now illegal to talk or text on your phone while driving your car?
That's right, but we have a solution. If you take the UAlbany shuttle bus to campus, you can talk or text as much as you want. You will be safer.
You also save gas and money.
One bus can hold about 45 students, that is 45 less cars on the road. That will save fuel.
Don't forget parking on campus, you always have to walk a long way to class. The shuttle bus drops you off at Science Library. You can get a snack before class, at the campus center.
And no parking tickets, when you make a mistake, parking in the wrong lot or something.
Cars serve a purpose most of the time, but when you live downtown, the shuttle bus is a good alternative.
Then you can talk on us while driving. Let the bus driver keep you safe, while you talk and text.
Don't forget the other reason.
Oh yes, the Go Green program. Less cars running, less pollution. It sounds like a no-brainer. See you on the bus soon. UAlbany, the cool school.